Hi, I'm Anupam Sharma, and this is skill test number 2 of front-end module for Coding Ninjas. And the test is Superhero Hunter, wherein we have to make a Super Hunter web page, especially for using Marvel API. Here you can see what it should have, and it should basically have home page. As I have, this is the basic home page what I have made. It should have superhero page, like all the details, and my favorite superhero page. So let's see how this is functioning. So first let me search any favorite superhero I like. Let's say I like Iron Man. So in the search bar, after typing, you can see all the details. It's where he works, occupation, relatives, and all other things. It is listed here. So let me favorite it. If I Okay, now it is showing that it is already added to the favorite list. It is alerting. No need to add once again. Next, if I search Thor, let's say, then it is giving me all the details of the Thor. So now I'm moving on to the favorite page, what things I have added. So it is showing me that I have added Iron Man, all the favorite superheroes that I added, and I can remove them as well from here. Now going to the home page, it will basically give you the home basic UI of home page. Alright, now moving on to the code part. Welcome to the code section of the web page I made. Here you can see it's a basic HTML page wherein all the links to CSS and JSS lies, and this is also my home page as well. Here you can see in the navigation bar the top thing which you saw on that page. This is search bar wherein you searched, and as soon as you click the search bar you can see various, it will give you various options. Let's say I typed Iron Man, so it will, as soon as I type I, it will suggest me, are you searching for Iron Man? So this thing will come. And for example, other example is Thor. If you type T, it will show you Thor, and you can, as soon as you click, it will show you its work, base, occupation, bio, basically telling about your superhero favorite, or not favorite, all the superheroes. And when you make it as favorite, it will move on to this page. By default this page is empty, but as soon as you add to the favorite, it will also link to this page as well. So this will all add the details, all the basic features of the that superhero. Now moving on to the CSS part, I have used Bootstrap as well, and here you can see I have made it very simple, not fancy, because that is, it was mentioned just to keep it as simple as possible. And this is for favorite as well. And now moving on to the main part, which is script, that is where the actual functionality is going on. Here you can see, as soon as you type the, let's say, any superhero, it will fetch from this API, and this will convert into JSON first, and then it will give me my data. And this is all the display of superhero details. We are told to use or mentioned to use only Marvel API, as it is especially for that. And when you let's say add the superhero, it will push it to the favorite superhero bar. So far you saw the functionality of JS in main index HTML. Now we are in the favorite page. Let's say you enter the favorite page. So, and you entered various superhero, Iron Man, Thor, or whatever. So how it is working under in this code I will explain. As soon as you add various superhero, it will fetch all the list, whatever you have added. Then it will, this function will load the data of that superhero and all the features it has by using this API. as we were allowed to use this only. And this first it will fetch into JSON, and later the data from that JSON will come to my code. And only loading is not enough, we have to display them as well. So this function will display all the uh, data of that superhero. Here you can see little bit of HTML code as well, and it should also have a remove feature. Let's say I don't want, my favorite changed, so I have to remove the superhero, or by mistake I added that superhero, so it should have that remove feature also. So this is the code for this function, is for removing the superhero. There is nothing much to explain here. And let's say if I more individually I want to see the details of the superhero, if I click on that, then it will lead me to this page as well. And this page is, if you see, there is almost similar to that previous code, but it has to show more specific details. So this is all I have to explain in this project. If you have any suggestions or any feedback, please add in the comment section. I'll be very thankful. And thank you so much for your time for watching this video.